Want to turn your PDF into an editable Word file without installing any software? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to convert any PDF to Word using Google Drive, step by step, with the updated 2025 method. This process is quick, free, and works on any device. So if you've been struggling with PDF edits, stay with me until the end. You won't miss a thing. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Next, click on the New button located in the upper left corner. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload and upload the PDF you want to convert. Wait for it to finish uploading. This usually takes just a few seconds depending on the file size. Once the PDF is uploaded, find it in your drive. Right-click on the PDF file and select Open With. Google Docs. Here's the magic. Google Docs will open the PDF, converting its content into an editable Google Doc automatically. You may notice slight formatting differences depending on the original layout, but the text is now fully editable. Now, to get your Word file, go to the File menu, select Download, and choose Microsoft Word .docs. And that's it. Your PDF is now successfully converted into a Word document that you can open, edit, and share with ease. No extra tools, no expensive software, just your Google Drive doing the heavy lifting. And there you have it. A simple, free, and reliable way to convert PDFs to Word using Google Drive in 2025. If this tutorial saved you time, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Got questions or want me to cover another Google Drive hack? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.